Okay guys, here's our range on the left side, obviously. And this is built with just a standard 30-inch range. So these base cabinets are 24. You'll have a blind corner cabinet, meaning that door will open up and there's storage back here. One upper on this side, and then you'll have to put your hood right here, obviously above the cooktop or the range. 33-inch wide sink cabinet, and a Lazy Susan in the corner. And this fridge leg would be pulled out just for cost reasons. And you have open space from the front of the range to the fridge. Depending on how far that fridge comes out, there's 36 inches of space through here. So if we go with the set of plans that I emailed you this morning, keeping the range over here, that's a 24-inch wide range, drawer stack. The fridge leg's taken out as it should have been in the other one. This cabinet, it's pretty tight to get back in here. That door is only, this door is only 10 inches wide, but this is storage space back here, so it's going to be a little difficult to get in there. But you do have a bigger countertop on this side and a little bit more space. You're up to almost 50 inches now across. So take a look at these two. I mean, it works either way, and decide what you want to do. Same amount of storage space, two cabinets here. The other one, there was one to the left of the range and one to the left of the fridge. But if you're going to put a hood here, we really don't have room to put one here. So let me know. Thanks, guys.